Today, we bring you more updates about hail and flash flooding happening in Saudi Arabia. For several days, the Arab Peninsula and central western Saudi Arabia have been experiencing extreme weather conditions ranging from hailstorms to heavy flash floods. The last few days have been a tumultuous time for Saudi Arabia as the country has experienced extreme weather patterns. Hail and flash flooding have been the main causes of disruption and destruction across the region. As a result, residents are now being encouraged to take extra precautions to protect their homes and livelihoods from further damage.
هذه البيوت هذه الغرقانة هذا اللي أشوفها هلا فوق السطوح يستنجدون.
A resident posted a frightening video of the storm on social media. The Twitter clip featured terrible flooding, with cars and other possessions being swept away.
ان شاء الله هذا في رباط ان شاء الله مكة. شوف بحر سمسم بحر كل.
The city's King Abdulaziz's international airport said that due to weather conditions, the departure of some flights has been delayed and urged passengers to contact carriers for up-to-date schedules. Schools were also closed in the nearby towns. In another video, the desert, usually a barren wasteland, is flooded. The video depicts a remarkable transformation as the land is suddenly filled with water due to a flash flood. What was once dry and arid now holds a body of water. Also, heavy rains in Saudi Arabia's coastal city of Jeddah. On Thursday, delayed flights, forced school closures, and shut the road to Mecca, Islam's holiest. City-state media reported Jeddah, a city of roughly 4 million people located close to the Red Sea, is often referred to as the gateway to Mecca, where millions perform the Hajj and pilgrimages each year. Images posted to social media on Thursday showed cars being swept along streets through raging torrents of water. It is really a sad situation for this region in Saudi Arabia, and we will continue to pray for things to return to normal and also bring you update about weather situations. Subscribe so you don't miss any updates.